Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel Jamaican Insider, and welcome to Rocky Point here in the parish of Clarendon. I do hope you will relax, enjoy the views. So, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please by all means do so now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell for all. That way, you will know when I upload the next video. As you know, I upload videos like these exploring the real Jamaica, showing the real Jamaican experience. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Rocky Point is a fishing village in the parish of Clarendon. It is about 15 minutes away from Salt Savannah and 30 minutes away from Lionel Town. Right now we're heading to the White Sand Beach here at Rocky Point. So do stick and stay, watch until the end. And now we have arrived to the Rocky Point Beach. So after swimming, jet skiing, playing football or volleyball, you can definitely come by this restaurant and have some seafood. All right, I'm going to leave it here for today. Thank you so much for sticking and staying with me here in Rocky Point, Clarendon. Do let me know your views of this White Sand Beach here in Clarendon in the comment section below. Thank you.